Teaching your dog to come when called is one of the most important skills you can teach. A good recall keeps your dog safe and helps you have better control on walks. With patience and rewards, your dog will love coming to you every time. To make your dog want to come to you, always give them something they really like when they do. Use treats that your dog absolutely loves and does not usually get every day. You can also use their favorite toy or a quick play session as a reward. Be happy and excited when your dog comes to you. Show them you appreciate it. This positive reinforcement helps your dog associate coming to you with something fun and rewarding. Pick a clear word or sound that you will always use to call your dog. Say your dog's name first to get their attention. Then say the recall word in a happy, cheerful voice. When your dog looks at you or comes over, give them a tasty treat or lots of praise. This helps your dog learn that hearing their name and the recall word means something good will happen. Start training in a quiet place where there are not many distractions. Call your dog in a happy, excited voice. When they come to you, give them a treat or praise right away. Keep the training sessions short, about 5 to 10 minutes, so your dog stays interested and does not get tired. Once your dog is good at coming to you inside the house, start practicing outside. There are more distractions outside, which helps your dog learn to listen even in a busy environment. Call your dog in a happy voice, and when they come, give them a treat or praise right away. Keep practicing in short sessions, so your dog stays interested and learns well. You can also practice with the help of another person. Take turns calling your dog's name at different times. When the dog comes to the person who called, give a treat and lots of praise. This helps your dog learn their name more quickly and makes the training more fun. When training your dog outside, always use a long leash. This keeps your dog safe while giving them some freedom to move around. The leash helps you control your dog if they get distracted or try to run off. As your dog gets better, you can slowly give them more freedom. And never punish your dog after they come, even if they are slow. You want them to always think coming to you is a good thing. Remember, every dog learns at their own pace, so be patient and keep training fun and positive. With consistent practice and rewarding experiences, your dog will happily come to you every time you call. Enjoy the journey and celebrate every success. Even small progress is a big win. If your dog makes a mistake, stay calm and try again.